There we go. So last month I did a waste analysis, and this is the stuff that I'm throwing away. In theory, throwing away, because this month I'm just going to change my process. So I have 3 big ones like these. This is the bigger pieces that I sifted out. And these are the smaller pieces. And the reason I separated these is I'm going to be doing something with these, and I may have a solution to reuse some of this stuff too. So get those out of the way. So during the month, this kind of shows you the breakdown of my February analysis. I do this every month, so I keep track of what I'm doing. The standard price for the bag is $27 a bag. It's just what I get when I pay for them. Used about this many bags during the month. It's almost 1,000,000 grams. And for the given month, price per gram didn't change. This is the total dollar amount I spent on the simmental during the given month. This is the total waste collected, so about 7,500 grams, and that's for all 5 of these combined. So my percent of waste for the period was less than 1%, which is exactly where I want to be, less than 1%, but I'm going to cut this amount down too. So the total dollar waste is about $8 for all of this stuff that I've separated out that I really can't use, at least right yet, but I'm going to have a couple solutions for some of that. So what I've did is I sifted these out based on size, because I'm going to be using this I'm going to call it recycled concrete. So I want to move up from 10%. I'm going to start off with 10%. I'm going to run some tests to see if how this mixes in, how it looks, make sure my structures are staying the same, make sure that it's still working. It should, because I'm adding this back in. It's concrete, so I'm adding the simmental back to simmental, so it should bond well. But we'll see. So these two over here are about 2,900 grams, or I'm going to shoot for about a third of the total waste I'm going to try to recycle in a given month. So my total dollar waste for the month is going to be about $5. Not too bad. But what I'm hoping to do is convert this 2,900 grams here, which equates to about 10 candle vessels, and convert this over here into products by adding it to other mixes. And so instead of throwing away $2 worth of product or $3 worth of product or $3 worth of waste, I'm going to create about 10 more products with it, which will be 10 more times $30 a piece, so another $300. So instead of wasting $3 here, I'm going to make $300 off of this. So this is the idea of why I do this stuff, why I track this stuff and try to find ways to reuse this stuff, because it's money out the door. So if I can convert this into a product that I can sell, which I have a few ideas, either into tea lights, trays, pots, not candle vessels right now because the sides may be too thin. But I'm going to use some of the bigger stuff, like stuff that's thicker sides, especially stuff like the oval pots. Some of my cat stuff that I make and dog stuff that I make, some pots, some incense trays. Add this back into the mix, about 10% we're going to start with, and make sure that my structure stays sound. So I should be able to convert this, which would be basically trash, into something that I can use, and I'm going to use that as a marketing tool also to say we're doing recycled concrete, because that was brought up a couple of years ago to me, and I wanted to try to find a way to make it work. Because, it's less money I gotta spend, and it's less stuff that's going in the landfill, so it's all about saving money. So I figure if I can convert about a third of what I would normally throw away, it's less money out the door and more money in my pocket. So, and I came up with an idea of this bigger chunk stuff this bigger stuff, I may have an idea to utilize some of this stuff, but not in making concrete stuff. So I may use it as a filler for something else. We'll see how that goes. So that's it for the month. That's my February waste analysis stuff. So not too bad, less than 1%. I'm going to try to cut that down even farther. So if I can save money, I'm going to save money. So that's it. Okay, bye.